Hi, Art 3. So a couple of things for this week. Number one, I totally apologize for the lack of a submission button last week. I don't know what happened. I just put stuff in wrong and there was no submission button. And I explained all of this on the announcement. I also explained it in the assignment for this week. But last week's assignment, you can turn in at any point in time by Friday. So anytime this week, you can turn in last week's assignment. However, you still have to do this week's assignment too. So for this week assignment, we're going to do things a little bit differently. We are going to have the option to do your normal sketchbook, but with the beginning of October this week starts Inktober. Now, Inktober is something that was created by an illustrator by the name of Jake Parker. Fantastic illustrator. If you get the chance, check out his work. His stuff's super cool. It's really creative, really original. But he created, well, I guess he co-created Inktober. But what it is it's a different drawing prompt for every day of October. So every day they do just a word, and artists take that word and you can interpret it any way that you want, and you draw something that correlates with that word. So, and like I said, it can be any interpretation of the word. However, you can envision some sort of drawing that refers to that word. And lots of artists participate in Inktober every year, and they do it every year, and there's different drawing prompts every year for all the different days. It's been something that's been going on for a while, and it's pretty cool. So you're going to have the option this week to either just do a regular sketch, or you're going to be able to pick one of the three prompts for this week. Now, because October doesn't start until Thursday, we only have Thursday's prompt, Friday's prompt, and Saturday's prompt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the option to pick one of those three prompts, or just do a regular sketch of whatever you want, like we normally do. Next week, however, you're not going to have the option to do a regular sketch. Next week, you're going to have to pick one of the drawing prompts. There'll be 7 of them for next week because it'll be a full week of October. So I'll give you all 7 of those prompts for next week, and you'll have to pick one. This week, there's only 3. You can pick one if you want. Otherwise, just do any drawing that you want. The prompts for this week are fish is the first one, wisp is the second, bulky is the third. I have all this stuff listed in the assignment, so you can just look, and it has the 3 prompts on there, so you can pick one of those 3 prompts. Otherwise, you can just do a normal sketch. So don't forget a couple things. Number one, get last week's assignment turned in. Again, my bad on that. I messed up the submission. So just make sure you get that turned in before the end of the week. Number 2, remember you can pick one of those prompts for your drawing for this week. You don't have to, but for next week, you will have to. All right? I believe that's anything. If there are any questions, any issues with submitting last week's assignment, just shoot me an email. A couple of you guys did that already. Otherwise, get drawn. All right, thanks, guys. Bye-bye.